Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a first impressions of Cara Beauty. I do not know how to pronounce that name, but there's so many ways you could pronounce that name, so I'm going to do my best. But I got the Beach Daze palette. If you watched my Amazon haul on Thursday, you know that I got this from Amazon. You can find this brand anywhere to small businesses who does mystery boxes or subscription boxes. You can find them on their own website, and of course you can find them on ikhouse.com if you want to check that out. But yes, so don't mind my hands or anything. I did swatches for short, so you're gonna see that. But I'm also gonna put a picture up here so you can see what they look like. I've noticed some of the shades, especially the lighter shades, was a little bit, I had to double dip in it, but it was fine. So you're gonna see what I'm gonna talk about and everything else. So Beach Daze is an eyeshadow palette. It is total net weight is 8.16 grams / 29 ounces, 0.20 ounces. This is made in designed by Cara Beauty Incorporated, California, USA. Made in PRC. Of course, it has everything that needs to. Cruelty-free, no paraben. So it has 16 eyeshadows. This is what it came in. I mean, Amazon, man, was sort of, they protected that. So if you watch my Amazon haul, you know one of the glitters fell out. That was just like, don't know, but this is what it looks like in person and on camera. And I'm glad that the video is actually doing a really good justice on this palette, which is really odd because sometimes the video don't really show the, let me put this up here, so and everything. But it comes with 3 pressed glitters, 1 shimmer, and the rest are mattes. So about 11 mattes, if I'm correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, 12. Yeah, 12. Never mind. Miscalculated. 12 mattes, which is fine. When I saw this brand, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try it. I want to see. I love trying out new brands. I love my drugstore brands, and I love some of my high-end brands that I have in my collection. But I'm always looking for the next new brand for me, or just trying out new brands. They're beautiful shades here, and I was like, some of these shades I probably do have in my collection, especially the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette, but also I really don't have these shades in my collection. So I'm not a look, I don't mind repeat shades in my collection alone. It's not the same, as long as it's not the same brand. If it was a different brand, I do not mind, because sometimes the shades could be a little tiny different, or it can be, the formula could be different. I really want to try out the purples. When I'm trying out new brands, I want to see how those purples work, because purples are those colors you have to really pay attention to, because they are hard to make, and sometimes purples can turn out to be a disaster, and sometimes they're very good. You don't even know, like, what's this, what's that? But yes, for this I'm gonna use a white base, and I'm going to use the Jumbo eye pencil in Milk. I find this really helpful, especially playing with different colors, even though I need to sharpen this. I'm gonna go with purples. I was like, what I want to work with. It's one of those colors, like, and I want to work with purple, but I also want to work with pink. I also want to work with blue, but I also want to work with all this palette. So I'm probably do 2 looks with this one and do a 3-look video or a 2-look video. I don't know. I might do a short. I might just do a short with this one, along with the short that I just did with the swatches. So I'm gonna use Chillin' as this nice purplish shade. That's why I'm not using this mirror right here, because of that yellow. So I do want to keep it much as I can, but that purple is really nice. Did it swatch? It swatched fine, but it's okay. So I'm trying to see what I want to do. I'll probably just put this in the outer V. Ooh, that purple's nice. Hang on, let's do this. Oh wow, that purple is nice. I mean, it's really pigmented. Like, lately I've been waking up with like sand in my eyes and it kind of sticks. Okay, let's see. Now the question is, will it blend to other colors? And I'm thinking it will, because it's looking really blending. Like, did you see that? I mean, it's really pretty. I do like that. I like this purple. Like I said, I really like that purple. Now, I do want to use that pink that I see. It's called Sunrise. And truthfully, I never think a pink would be called Sunrise. I would think it would be a different color. Like a yellow, you know what I mean? But you know what? We go with the flow here. So this is Sunrise. And that's a really pink. Now, pinks can stain the eye, which is fine. I don't care. Like, I'll put makeup on over it. Yeah. But I just want to see. Oh, that's, ooh. Oh my. Oh, I like how those 2 shades are just, ooh. Okay. I mean, that was a very light hand. I like that. I like the pigmentation. I do. Okay, I'm actually gonna use Set Me Free for the outer corner, because I do want to see how that works. So this is Set Me Free. This shade right here. I mean, oh, I mean, it's so pretty. I mean, we'll see. Oh wow. Now, oh, I love how that really, this is why I love just playing with colors. This is why I love to see whatever it can do. That one made it like more of a blue tone purple, like a blurple, or a blurple. That's what you're gonna call it. But that's a really beautiful purple. Like, it gives a different. I love playing with colors. Sometimes certain brands don't. I mean, it's easy to blend, which I do like. As you can see, it's easy to blend. I do like that. So we're gonna see what this shade will do. We're gonna use Snorkel to go with this Set Me Free color. We're gonna go Snorkel. This is nice, vibrant blue. I mean, camera's doing its justice, man. Now, I'm using this kind of brush to see how this is gonna work. And that blue is very vibrant. I mean, the blending is there. The blend, man. That's what's getting me. That's why I'm really liking this. It's just that blend. I mean, I want to get more of their eyeshadows. Now, when I use shimmers, I kind of use a glitter glue. But I'm not going to do that because one reasons. I want to see how it works without the glitter glue. It's because I want to see how the formula works just on the bare eyes and everything. But about 9 out of 10, I really use glitter glue for my shimmers, but that's about it. But I really am going to do this because, like I said, I want to see how this formula is going to be like. High tide? I mean, the names are so... Now, this is a more denser flat brush, but it has that putty texture that I'm gonna be honest with you, it's such a weird texture for me. I'm not used to that. I'm used to like shimmers just coming out, but it's a nice pink shimmer. It's like purple reflexes. Look at that, man. It's like a nice, oh, it's like giving me cotton candy vibes. I don't know why I think about cotton candy with this shade, but it does. I mean, that's really, really pretty. Look at that. I think with the pressed glitter, well, not the pressed glitter, this glitter glue would help it more. Whoa. But there's like not much fallout with any of the shades. I don't really dig into my palettes, I just don't. Then I'm actually going to use Beach Balm to kind of darken that up at the outer V. This Beach Balm is this shade, darker shade of a purple. There you go. And I'm going to blend that out and fix that corner right there. Like on camera, the corner is like there, but up close, it does not. Okay, we're going to do now the purple here. No, I'm just giving this a little shadow for one, because I really don't want that to be like really out there. But yeah, for my first impression with this one already, with this eye look already created, awesome. Like I said, there's some little bit of fallout, but that's because of my fault and the brush I've used. So I'll be right back with the finished look, and I give you more what I think about this palette. So be right back. So this is the finished look. Really, really do like this. So now, what my first impressions? I really, really do like this palette. I really do. Give this 10 out of 10. It blends. Whatever eyeshadow base I use, it works. It blends effortlessly. Works. The brushes helped, and everything else. So yeah, I'm giving this 10 out of 10 because it did a really good job. It wasn't finicky, it wasn't patchy, it blended beautifully. I mean, it did its job. I mean, there is color on my eyes, and I do like that. I'm definitely going to be trying out more colors. I'm definitely going to do a short and see what other colors I can work with and everything, and give you my full thoughts about this palette. But I don't think anything will change at all, but you never know, things can go woohoo, oopsie, you know. So beauties, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. If you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama free and judgment free. No, drama free and judgment free. I cannot talk here on this channel. Of course, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday at 12 p.m. for the summer, and I do go live on Fridays at 9 p.m. So beauties, hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!